my vlog. In today's vlog, we're going to put a linoleum tile in the foundation base. On my previous video, we have this done. So we have this 88 by 46 foundation, then we put a hinge so that we can fold it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put vinyl tiles, which is vinyl floor tiles that we bought from Walmart. It is self-adhesive and it's very good because sometimes you don't know that there will be water marks, so this will prevent it from having a leak in our car, in our van. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it here and we will show you how we will put it in our foundation base, and it will also look good. So my husband is already removing all the vinyl tiles, and our dog is just playing there. This, and it is self-adhesive. So we will put it here.
Let's see how it come out.
We will lay it down in this foundation base. And for one box, we got it for 45 pieces in a box.
Right.
Wow, it looks good. Should be sure that this one is really meeting each other. And then later on we will just cut this. This edge is not the size of the vinyl tile, so you have to cut it. That we can cut it.
Hey. It's okay. Hey.
What are you doing?
Get the ball then. You don't need to be precise.
He wants to play. already. Okay, the hard part is on the sides because you have to cut the vinyl tiles. And also here the corners. But other than that, it's quite easy. Yes, boy. Get your ball. Okay, we're almost done. This is the hard part. Edges. You have to measure each one. Sid likes to sit here. Before, when it's still wood, he doesn't want to sit here or he doesn't want to lie. Now he likes it. This is the finished product of our base for our van house. Hi guys and gals, this is before we put the vinyl floor tile, and this is the after effect of the vinyl floor tile. I hope that you liked this video. I hope you got an idea, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.